Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adam Zuri bin Muhammad Syarul Azam. I'm from DKA4C and my matric number is 11 DKA 19F1060.
Okay, first I want to talk about safety rules. First, you are responsible for your own safety and safety for others. Second, wear personal protective equipment necessary for the job. The third one is always use equipment, tool, machinery safely and properly. 4. Live properly using your leg and not your back. 5. Keep your work area clean. 6. Wear appropriate and safe work clothing and footwear. 7. Report any unsafe conditions. 8. Clean up spills immediately. 8. Report all injuries. And the last one is no alcohol or drug to be used or allowed on company property. Okay, now I want to show you guys a simulation of a jet. So I'm gonna read a procedure for the experiment of this jet. First, click or tap on the start button to start the experiment. The water should start flowing through the pipe. The level in the jet should start rising. The water will go through the nozzle and hit the flat plate and displace the scale. Try to change the flow speed by using control flow speed glider. Bringing the glider to the left will slow down the water flow, whereas bringing it to the right will speed it up. The control flow speed glider is dynamite and can be changed midway when the water is filling up too. And the lastly is click or tap on the reset button to restart the experiment afresh with empty apparatus. Okay, my group has assigned to do a measure value of hemisphere for water jet. So the force we have is 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0 and 2.5. For measuring time, we just add it on all the measuring time and divide by 3 for each. Okay. For 0.5, average measuring time is 55 and 1.0 is 36. 1.5 is 27, 2.0 is 28 and 2.5 is 25. So the flow rate is 0.5 is 9.09 times 0 negative 5 and 1.0 is 1.39 times 10 negative 4 and 1.5 is 1.85 times 0 negative 4 and 2.0 is 1.79 times 10 negative 4 and the last one is 2.5 is 25 and for 2.5 is 2 times 10 negative 4. Okay, now this is the note that has been given. So the nozzle diameter is 8 mm, so we need to convert it to m, so it will be 0.008 meter, while for the area we need to calculate it and we get 5.03 times 10 negative 4, and the gravitational is 9.81. Okay, for the hemisphere flow rate, we just fill in the blank, and the velocity we need to do the calculation, which is v equal to q over a. So we get 1.81, and the second one we get 2.76, and the third one we get 2.68, and the fourth one we get 3.56, and the last one we get 3.98. While the calculate force FTH in Newton, which is fill up the formula, which is PQ 2V1. So the first answer is 0.33, and next is 0.77, next is 1.36, next is 1.27, and the last one is 1.59. Okay, as you can see, this is the comparison between plate, hemisphere, and cone for 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, and 2.5. They all have different type of data because the surface is not the same, so that's why we get the different type of data and answer.